Hello and welcome back. So we've already created our floor plan, just the base right now. So that's a very good start. But before we go on and do any more work, we want to make sure this is saving correctly and saving with our name. So coming up here to the top left, just click the untitled, and we're going to be able to select and choose our name. This is my drive, so all of us have a drive on a Google platform. This is mine, and yours is probably going to look different. What I suggest you do is go into your drive, and to make yourself a new SketchUp tab or a design technology tab or something like that to save all your work in. You might have multiple copies or do other designs later on, so we might as well keep it all together. Can you please name at the bottom here, name it with your full name, and also something like sustainable home or design technology. So I'm just going to write sustainable home, and maybe I'm just going to write this year, so I know. So that's all saved. It's going to automatically save periodically, but anytime you do quite a lot of major things and you want to save where it is and not go backwards, just click the save as here. If you are doing something on your design, let's just say, and you make a mistake, like maybe you accidentally lift this too high, you can use the back arrow key here, or on your keyboard you can press Command and Z. On PC it is Control Z, and it undoes your last mistake, and you can go backwards and forwards that way when you make an error. So now we have the sort of slab and the base of our floor plan. We want to make those external walls. So instead of trying to draw them in and physically put them in that way, what we're going to do is use here where we've got the bevel tool, the push and pull, we're going to go here and we're going to use the offset tool. I can click this tool, see it starts making an offset wall. I can do it freehand like this, but I want to have a very specific wall thickness. Does anyone remember? So it was 300 millimeter thickness. So that was 0.3, and we press enter. And now that has made the thickness all around. So look how easy that was. I didn't have to go through and do every single little wall. Please take a screenshot of this progress and remember to date and time index it and to put it on your design journal to keep track. Continue to the next video to learn how to make internal walls.